Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on your Razer Ally. First, you will need to install DayZ via Steam, ensuring your device has at least 60 gigabytes of free storage. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated for optimal performance. A stable internet connection is crucial for both downloading the game and for online multiplayer. Finally, verify the game files to ensure a smooth initial launch. To achieve smooth gameplay, optimize your settings. Within DayZ, reduce texture quality and shadow detail to medium or low. Set your ROG Ally's operating mode to turbo, which provides up to 30 watts of power. Consider lowering the in-game resolution to 1280 by 720 pixels. Disabling VSync and motion blur can also significantly improve your frame rates, offering a more responsive experience. Mastering the controls is key for survival. The ROG Ally's integrated controller works well, but you might want to customize button layouts for actions like quick looting or weapon switching. Adjust the user interface scale within DayZ's settings to ensure all text and icons are clearly visible on the 7-inch screen. Spend some time practicing movement and inventory management to become proficient with the handheld controls. Finally, here are some essential DayZ survival tips. Always prioritize securing food, water, and medical supplies to stay alive. Be cautious and avoid open areas, as other players pose a constant threat. Consider teaming up with 1 or 2 friends. Cooperation significantly increases your chances of survival against both the environment and other survivors. Learning basic crafting recipes will also prove invaluable for creating necessary tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.